Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to bypass this phone, Samsung Galaxy A2 Core. This is Samsung Galaxy A2, which are supposed to be unlocked. Okay, so first of all, you're supposed to connect your phone, like you're supposed to connect to Wi-Fi. You see, so if you can see, the first you're supposed to connect to Wi-Fi. See, so here is my Wi-Fi. Yeah, put your password. Okay, it's connected. So as you can see, tick mark it or next. Let's wait for a few minutes. We are waiting for load for Origin. Load to give us a form for Google account. Okay, so we can just see it is drained because of network. Okay, so let's cancel it and restart again. Restart again. It's connected. So sometimes it get drained because of network that you are using. So make sure that you are using the network which is fast. As you can see, I just refreshed. So as you can see, it need to. So I don't know the Google account of this phone. Go to continue. And if you Google, I do it for a few minutes. Yeah. So as you can see, give me errors, so don't worry. Let's go back at the first. Okay, if you reach here, you're supposed to press here and press here. You see, then insert any SIM card that has set the lock. You see, so insert your SIM card. That, then say it. Yeah, but make sure that before you set, you came here, you press here, you press on images, then at this point, this one medical info, press here and push the tray of SIM card. Then take any object so that to, you see, but don't worry about it. Don't worry about this. You just need to, okay. You see, so press here. Okay, it's not working. So what are you going to do? Press here, then insert your Origin, your SIM card, hold it, then remove. You see, like is where you see here. Then press the power button, then power on. You see, so if you reach this stage, press here. Okay, you see, then press here, and here we go. Okay, so if you reach here, then you are near, you see, then scroll down, then press here, browse up here, you see. When you reach here, then press set as default, you see. Then if you reach here, press on instant app account, then press here on question mark on top. Wait for a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. So to get drained, because of sometimes it takes according to network that you have. If you have the good network, then it works better for you. Okay, so if you reach here, press here, then press on Google. You see? Okay, when you reach here, don't worry about it, press here, then press here. Yes.
Oh, this one.
I think in there you go. Then here. Okay, then type FRP bypass. You see? Then press here. Scroll down. Then you type it, or you can type NV-ROM. You see, 2026. Then press here. Just press here. Yeah. Then press on setting. Okay, press on. Okay, so on settings not working, just press open settings, smart lock screen here. Then you can choose the method that you like I choose the pattern, then press here, then press continue, then set a pattern, then continue. You see? Then next. Yes, I'm in. Understood? Yeah, so if you reach here, then everything's possible now. So that let's just go back. Then you just need support to restart your phone, like this one. Or restart. Then press the password that you set there. As you can see, I will set it mine. See? Okay, now we are here. The phone is just started. Then press start. Next, tick all. Agree. Then type the password that we use there. Like I was using the arrow shape. Then press skip. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see now, the phone has been unlocked, fully unlocked. So let's just follow and subscribe our channel. Yeah, thank you.